Hey everyone, so today I'm back with another video with Chelsea.
Hi guys.
And we're going to be doing the branded versus unbranded food challenge, which I think is going to be such an interesting experiment.
I'm excited.
So if you haven't seen this video floating around the internet, basically how it works is you go out and buy a bunch of food that's branded and then the knockoff version, so the unbranded stuff. So we picked up a bunch of the unbranded stuff from Aldi. You guys know I love shopping at Aldi. And then most of the branded stuff we got from Coles. I feel like the challenge is pretty self-explanatory, but if you don't know how it works, what we have to do is try both foods, the branded and unbranded version, and be blindfolded and guess which one's which. And if we get it right, we get a point, and so we'll see who
the
wins.
winner is.
And I'm just genuinely curious because
I'm very curious.
So I guess what we should do now is talk through everything and tell you guys what we actually got. So this is the branded section and this is the unbranded section. So first of all, we got some peach iced tea from Lipton, very iconic.
This is the tea burst flavor, which is the unbranded flavor
From Aldi.
Yeah.
Next we got some shapes. I love these things, can I add? Like, oh my gosh, they're so nice. And these are the chicken ones.
These are snackers, which is the equivalent to chicken crimpy shapes.
Next up we got some chicken nuggets. So then we picked up some 2-minute noodles. These are the Maggi chicken noodles. Then we got some macaroni and cheese, which will be really interesting. Both of us haven't really had this before.
I'm not a big mac and cheese gal, so I feel like it's gonna be hard to tell because I don't eat it.
This is the Kraft mac and cheese.
This is the beaker.
We got some Tim Tams. Well, I got some Tim Tams and you got...
These are Just Divine chocolate.
Yeah, we picked up some chocolate, just the classic Cadbury's Dairy Milk.
And this one's Dairy Fine Milk Chocolate.
And then we picked up some Doritos. And this one is...
These ones are called El Toro. So
Toro.
they're both cheese flavored.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
So that is everything. So I think what we should do next is just plate everything up. And yeah, we're gonna take it in turns to be blindfolded and just see how it is.
Let's go.
Guys, we've just had like a big disaster. So like I said, we were gonna go and plate up everything and get everything ready. And then we were making a mac and cheese and I read the instructions wrong. So I guess there's no point in me even explaining what happened. I'm just gonna insert the clips, but just know that we can't do the mac and cheese now.
So we'll just pop this to the side because we can no longer do the mac and cheese. Guys, we've burnt down Ella's apartment.
Also, my smoke alarm surely isn't working. That should have
Oh
gone
my
off.
god, I can smell the smoke.
Should we take it out the microwave? But don't burn yourself. But like it's really smoky. I'm scared of my baby.
That is actually really bad.
That's really bad.
You need to get your smoke alarm fixed because
That should have gone off. Well, I am waving in front of it because I don't want anything.
Did you put it in for the right amount of time?
I can taste it.
Same.
Yes, like it said 3 to 4 minutes. I put it in for 3. Not even 4. Oh no. Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So, what actually happened? Oh, did it?
Black. Look at the plastic must have melted.
Wait, did it? What?
Look at the plastic.
Oh, it's plastic. Wait, hold on, see? Peel it off and remove sachet, did that. Zap it, microwave uncovered on high for 3 to 4 minutes. That's what I did.
Add cold water.
Oh, I read step 3 after step 1. I thought it was step 1, step 2, step 3.
Well, we now know what was done wrong.
Oh, I feel so stupid.
Oh my god. So this is what happens when you don't read the instructions properly. Get it out, chuck it in the bin. Ella, that is...
That is...
Do a nice close up, let's focus on it. Oh.
That is the worst thing I've ever seen.
1 hour later.
I literally feel so stupid. I feel so dumb.
My lungs genuinely were like hurt.
It was terrible.
bad.
It was terrible. We could just taste the smoke, but like that was the biggest vlog moment I've ever had. To be honest, that was so
It's bad packaging.
misleading.
It's bad packaging.
Clearly, I should have paid more attention. Anyway, we're gonna ignore that. Please don't think I'm literally.
It's mac and
Crazy.
cheese fault, not Ella's fault.
It's mac and cheese's fault. Anyway, so clearly we prefer the unbranded for that one.
Yeah.
Because that one has clear
That one-
instructions.
Literally.
Alright, so I think we should start with the chicken nuggets because they're probably like cold
Salmonella
now.
infested now and they've been sitting for so long.
How did you know I was there?
I can hear you. That's a Macca's nugget.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. That's a Macca's nugget. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, it's so like spot on. Both are good. Both very cold. No, once you taste it, you'll be able to tell like
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my turn then. That's definitely unbranded. 100%.
Maybe not. Ready for the next?
100% Macca's.
Yeah, it's so easy to tell, hey. We both got a point. Congratulations. Wow.
There you go.
So good.
Alright, next up.
Oh my
I
God.
kind of want some iced tea.
I'm so thirsty. Please
I'm
give me
so
some
thirsty
drink.
too.
I'm so...
Oh, how are we going to do this? We need 2 glasses each.
Because you don't want to share with me because I've got jams.
I'll share with you, it's okay.
I just want to start off by saying, guys, like, I don't drink iced tea. I think I've probably had one in my whole entire life, so I don't think this is going to be easy for me whatsoever because I don't even know what the original tastes like. So this is the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
Thoughts?
I'm going to say branded, unbranded.
That was actually wrong.
Wow.
Yeah.
This one tastes more watered down. I liked the unbranded better. This one was too sweet.
Well, now you're going to give it away for me if I know there's a difference.
Oh, there's no difference.
It's really good. That is hard. That is really hard. I think that one was the branded.
No.
No, really?
Yeah, look. That was unbranded, branded.
What?
How much better is that one?
That one's so much
one's
better.
not so like gross and sweet. Wow, so we both lost a point there.
We lost a point, but we gained a find.
Fine.
All right, I'm gonna do these little chip things. Okay, ready?
Yeah. I have a feeling I know what that is.
Yeah?
I think they're the shapes. Unbranded.
Unbranded? You're right.
No, yeah.
All right, my turn.
Maybe.
Branded. The flavoring is amazing.
Sorry, did you really put that in properly?
You just gave me the same one.
No, I didn't.
Did you not?
No.
I don't believe you.
Well, I'll give you another one.
No. This is the shapes. You gave me the same one.
No, I didn't. I promise you I did not.
Did you not?
No. Now I'm nervous I accidentally grabbed out of this. But I know I didn't. But I can't remember watch the footage to make sure I didn't grab out of that.
Wait,
You made me second guess myself.
Alright, time for the noodles.
I think I'm really excited about these. 2-minute noodles were my fave growing up.
I don't have any forks right now, they're all in the dishwasher, so we're using spoons. This is so hard to do without a fork.
Maybe try the end of the spoon.
What?
Like,
Just like twist it around the end of the spoon. It just keeps coming. It just keeps coming. And what did you think?
Okay, give me the next ones. I have no idea.
Okay, I'm doing better here.
Unbranded, that one. Unbranded, and then the first one's a branded.
You're right.
Yeah.
How you going?
Open. I did so much better than you.
I'm thinking that's the branded. I keep thinking you're close to my mouth and you're not.
No, I'm nowhere near.
Tell me.
Open wide, I'm gonna drop them in like you did to me. Can I touch them with my hands?
I guess so.
I won't touch them too much. Sorry, stripping it.
Ah!
Sorry.
I got a little noodle.
You have noodle juice all on your face.
It's on my lap. It's on my face.
Oh no. I can't. Oh my god, look at the mess.
Oh my
They
gosh.
are hard. No, they are hard. Now you kind of know which ones are which.
Do I have anything on my face?
No, you're fine. Let me get a cloth. I feel so bad. Look how much mess I made.
That was quite. Wait, did I win? Did I get a point?
No.
I did. I guessed it right. I did.
You didn't taste
Yes,
it.
I did. I did. I had a little noodle. All right, we're doing Tim Tams. Here's your mask. Open wide.
That was a 10-10.
Was it?
Mm-hmm. Oh no, I don't know, this is hard.
Do they both taste the same?
They taste very, very similar. I'm guessing that was non-branded. The
That's
first
right.
one was branded?
Yeah.
They're similar.
Wow, really?
No, yeah, really.
I feel like these are probably cheaper as well, the unbranded.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a little, when you crunch a bit more, you're like, oh, okay, that's unbranded. But
Don't
like,
give away. I'll be able to
well,
tell.
no, it's like the more you eat it, obviously you're gonna
Yeah.
be able to tell.
Yeah, I have a slight advantage over you because I see your reaction.
Yeah.
It gives me a bit of an insight.
Yeah, cheater.
Unbranded. That's a Tim Tam.
Yeah, you can taste the Tim Tam.
Oh, Tim Tams is so much
Do you
better.
think they taste similar though?
Similar, but they're so much better.
Yeah, no, yeah, Tim
I don't
Tams.
know, I didn't like that. There's something about it I didn't like.
There's a weird, when you crunch a bit more, you know what I mean? Like it's a bit different.
It's a bit of an aftertaste.
It's a bit weird. That's kind of good.
Wait, where's the rest of my biscuit?
Oh,
That one? Oh god, no. Wait, I've forgotten which is which. Hold on.
Oh, no.
Let's start again, I've forgotten already.
Tastes like a Dorito. Give me the next. I don't know.
I don't know.
That's really hard.
I thought this one was gonna be hard.
I'm gonna say second Dorito, first unbranded.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Oh god, they're very similar.
So far, I think that's a Dorito, but let's try the other. Oh,
Yeah, it's hard, hey.
that one's nicer. I think that one was the unbranded, the first one was branded.
Wait. So the
First one was branded.
Yep. And the second one was
Yeah,
unbranded?
unbranded.
Yeah, that's right.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the unbranded ones are so much
No, it's
nicer. They've got way more flavour. I thought that when I was giving it to you, to be honest, I was like, ooh, they look more orange.
Yeah.
They've got more cheese on them.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Sort of tastes like Cadbury, but then also sort of has a weird taste. Yeah.
You keep moving away.
Oh, I don't know. They're both really good, to be honest.
Really?
I kind of like the second better. Is the second Cadbury?
No.
Wow. Cadbury has a weird taste.
Yeah.
I'm ready to open the eyes.
Oh, I don't know. That one's Cadbury.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I prefer Cadbury.
You reckon?
I didn't like that one.
I didn't mind this one. I think both were okay,
Yeah.
but
So I'm the winner.
you're the winner. You get nothing.
This video actually turned out so funny. Like,
I love it.
Oh my gosh. And I really enjoyed just like eating so many snacks. That was such
That
a
we
good
don't
excuse.
usually have at all.
Yeah.
Ever.
I haven't had a lot of these snacks in
What
ages.
was your favorite food?
I love the shapes.
I loved the Tim Tams. I didn't realize how much I loved Tim Tams.
But yeah, let us know what you guys think and if you've tried any of the like unbranded stuff or the branded stuff and which one you think's better, or if we should do like a part 2 and what we should try for that, because it's actually turned out hilarious.
Really fun,
and also go check out Chelsea's channel. We did a mukbang over there where we ate heaps of Thai food. We literally did that just before we filmed this video, so we've just eaten all day today. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and Chelsea's channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!